Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to cover the topic of Apache Pig. These are the topics which are going to be covered today. We'll discuss about Apache Pig, why do we need Apache Pig. Then we'll talk about features of Pig. Then we'll do comparisons between Apache Pig, MapReduce, SQL and Hive. Then we'll go through with the applications of Pig. We'll also analyze a Twitter case study and we'll see the implication of Apache Pig over it, and then we'll go through with the detailed architecture of Apache Pig, and we'll also discuss the Apache Pig data model. So to start with, first we'll discuss about MapReduce, or we can say about big data. So before proceeding with the introduction of Apache Pig, we should understand that why there is a requirement of Pig framework. So basically, when we talk about big data, so it is a cluster of data set in a huge amount. Means large amount of informations are stored in a big data in a clustered manner, and for that we make use of Hadoop framework. So Hadoop is a framework to store and process big data, where it has two components. One is the HDFS, another is the MapReduce, where HDFS is the Hadoop distributed file system, which is used to store the big data over the commodity hardware, and it allows the processing of data. Apart from that, when you talk about MapReduce, so MapReduce is the another very important component of Hadoop, where it processes data in a distributed manner, which is stored inside HDFS. Means it will process the data which is being stored inside HDFS, and then whatever results will be generated, that result is again stored back to the HDFS. It processes all type of data, whether it is structured, unstructured or semi-structured, and it uses Java or Python programming skills, because if you want to process some kind of information over MapReduce, so you need to be well versed with certain type of programming skills, like uh, because for writing logical queries, logical scripts, we need either Java or Python. So that is what a problem which has been faced by most of the big data experts. Those who are not well versed with such kind of technologies like Java or Python, they are not very good in programming skills. So Pig can be used as an alternate option, where they don't need to bother about the programming overhead. So when we talk about Apache Pig, it is an open source high level data flow system. When you're talking about open source, so yes, Apache Pig is an open source technology which was introduced by Yahoo. Initially, it was a project undertaken by Yahoo in the year 2006, and later on, it has been outsourced by Apache project. And after that, in 2008, it became a very huge project of Apache. Then, after that, it has been used for the analysis of data in big data environment. When you are talking about Apache Pig, so uh, it provides abstraction over MapReduce. Abstraction over MapReduce means what? You don't need to worry about writing programs, creating logics for executing a query or for processing a data inside MapReduce. Instead of that, what you can do, you can build your logics, build your skills in Pig by making use of Pig Latin language. When we talk about Pig Latin language, it is very easy to understand, and it is very easy to write, because there is a fun fact about it. Uh, it is said that when we write 10 lines of Pig Latin, so it is approximately equivalent to 200 lines of MapReduce Java program. So you can understand how easy and simple it is for a person who is not well skilled in Java programming. So this is one of the very biggest examples and biggest relief for a person who is not well skilled in Java programming. So again, we can say that as it works, it is a high level data flow system. Apache Pig is running over the Hadoop framework. So Hadoop is the base for all this type of technologies and techniques. But when we are talking about Apache Pig, so yes, it runs just above the Hadoop framework. So yes, for the processing of any data, we require MapReduce, but Apache Pig runs over MapReduce, means it will take the request from the client, the data will be processed inside Apache Pig, whatever Pig Latin script will be written, that will be converted into MapReduce program, MapReduce instructions, then it will be executed by MapReduce, and then the result is again given back to the HDFS. So this is how it works. So one can say that when we are writing a Pig Latin script and then it is again going to be converted into MapReduce program, then it will be processed by MapReduce, then the result will be generated, then it may be creating a lot of burden on the system. So the answer is no. Yes, definitely it is going to delay the process by some time. But instead of that, whatever advantages a Pig framework is providing is enough for considering this for further data processing. So the trade-off what we get with Apache Pig is much more than what delay we are facing. So that is the thing and why we require Apache Pig. So when we are talking about why there is a need of Apache Pig, so first, by making use of Pig Latin, programmers can perform MapReduce tasks easily without having to type complex codes in Java. Here we just have to write some queries, and these queries are very simple. These are similar to what we write in SQL. Apache Pig uses multi-query approach, thereby reducing the length of codes. For example, an operation that would require you to type 200 lines of code in Java can be easily done by typing less as just 10 lines of code in Apache Pig, what we have seen in the previous slide. So ultimately, Apache Pig reduces the development time by almost 16 times. Pig Latin is SQL-like language and it is easy to learn. Apache Pig when you are familiar with SQL. So if you have a basic understanding of SQL, so it is very easy for you to understand and implement Apache Pig. So Apache Pig provides many built-in operators to support data operations like joins, filters, ordering, etc. In addition, it also provides nested data types like tuples, bag, map that are missing from MapReduce. So when we are dealing with MapReduce, so it doesn't provide you those complex data types which are very useful for processing the data, and that is what we get in Apache Pig. So that is one of the added advantage over MapReduce. So when we are talking about the necessity of Pig, so here we need to consider these 3 points. The first point is it can take any data, like what we have discussed about Hadoop, that it can take any data. So yes, Pig also can take any data. It can take structured data, it can take semi-structured data, it can take unstructured data. When I'm saying that it can take, so it can take as an input. So we can give structured data as an input to Pig, we can give semi-structured data as an input to Pig, and we can also give unstructured data as an input to Pig. So all these 3 type of information can be processed with the help of Apache Pig, where it provides the common data operation like filters, join operation, ordering, etc., and some nested data type like tuple, bag, and map, which are missing from MapReduce, that has been provided here. So with the use of that, the processing of the data is that becomes very easier and efficient. When you're talking about necessity of Pig or the requirement of Apache Pig, so the second point to consider is that it is easy to learn, it is easy to write, and easy to read. So it makes use of data flow language, where it will represent the flow of information in a particular flow like what we do in SQL, the scripts, and where we can read, it can read like a series of steps. So it is a procedural programming. SQL is not procedural, where when you are talking about Pig Latin, so it is a procedural programming. It uses the procedural approach of writing these scripts, where the things will be done in series. So it is an ad hoc way of creating and executing MapReduce jobs on every large data Then the third point to be considered is it is extensible by UDF, that is user defined functions. So when you are using Apache Pig, so yes, you can use it, you can embed Apache Pig along with several programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript or Ruby. So you can use the inbuilt functions which are created inside those programs, those languages, that can be combined with or that can be embedded with the Apache Pig. So it is an open source and actively supported by community of developers. So you have large set of libraries and support